AJ Absolute. I gotta remember to start saying my name in the intro. My videos is simple. I mean, whatever videos you see put out continuously, it's just multiple videos of me in one sitting, just busting it down on the blunt, chilling. Let me know how y'all vibing. Let me know where y'all from. 2025, man. The best thing to do, vlog yourself. Whatever you do. I got a boring life. I work at night. I sleep all day. If I go out, set up a bag, I'll go with me some blunts or maybe a couple snacks. Even so, I'll go to the dollar store for that. Or just go to the dispo. I mean, do my little shopping, but I'm saying something simple. I'm just chilling. I don't have a big life. Not yet, anyway. Y'all be safe.